Oh my God, that is a super stretch limo. Look at all these people going. Anyway, hi guys. First thing I see is this huge, super long, super stretch limo there. I don't think I've ever seen one that long before. Anyway, hi guys. It's another watching traffic day, and management here cleaned the windows. Yay! I just put a request in to have the window cleaned because of all that bacteria and gunk that was on it, making the video not look too good. I miss riding a bike. And that's what they did. I don't know if he did it personally, but I spoke to management and said, you know, the window is just absolutely filthy. You can hardly see out of it. Just all that dried rain. So he had this window cleaned. So there's a smudge or two on the window, as you can see, but otherwise it's a vast improvement. Nice and clean. That's the way we like it. So anyway, how'd you like that super stretch limo to start up today's video, huh guys? Oh, look at that, there's a cop car going. Wow, we are loaded.
What are you doing?
Oh, filming the traffic going by.
Oh, it's crazy.
Yeah. Well, it's Saturday and so many people are out shopping.
Well, in the mornings at 6, I come down Clinton to work. And I'm doing, 40, 45. Yeah. These people are just passing me left and right at 6 o'clock in the morning.
So, what happened to the construction? Is it over?
No, that's still all blocked off down there.
That's still blocked up? How come it's not happening up here?
Because I guess during the weekend, it's like backed up, but it's way down there.
Really?
Around the curves, yeah.
Or maybe so many people know about it that they're avoiding it.
Because when I get off work, I come out here, that side street right down there.
Yeah.
I turn right on that side street and go over 2 blocks and then go up the state. So no traffic.
Huh.
Because I don't like going through that traffic. Let's choose 142.
Okay, thank you. All right. Okay, so I don't think you can still be able to read the sign about reckless driving. I'm holding the camera as steady as I can. I don't think you can. I don't think it can. Oh, looks like somebody's gonna make a turn. Okay, now where is he going? What the heck? He went into that turn lane looking like he was going to turn there, but he's still going. Look at that. He went back into traffic. Wow. Talk about somebody who changes his mind. Well, you know what? He's entitled to do that. If he wants to change his mind, he most definitely can change his mind. You know? So. But it's, like I said, it's Saturday. So not everybody's going, to work. Although some people do work on Saturdays. But usually, Saturdays usually busy when you have to go to the store. But I found here in Fort Wayne, you see everybody in the stores, regardless of what day it is. Okay. Yeah. But we got some traffic here today. We got some traffic going. Nothing out of the ordinary. Nice. Everybody's traveling at a nice clip. And, yeah. So we do got a nice clip going here. Wow. Oh, here's a tour bus. I should get used to seeing them, right? Yeah. See, uptown. No, I'm sorry, northbound traffic. See, we're north of downtown, so I don't know why I keep saying that. Northbound traffic is a lot clearer than southbound traffic, and then and then the reverse is true. Then the southbound traffic, there's nothing, and the northbound traffic is busy. So you get your turn. You take your turn. Looks like on a Saturday. Oh, nice blue truck. That's what I want to get. I don't know what kind of car that was. That red car. See a lot of people having trucks these days. Look at that, another one. It's like, let's count the trucks. Let's make a game out of it, right? How many trucks can you count? That doesn't count. That's a delivery truck. Personal trucks, right? There's one. And there's another one coming out of AutoZone. You can't see it, but I can. So, yeah, see, there's another one and another one. I think I would go for a truck. I really, really do. I think a nice blue truck with a back seat in it, like that one, because those are becoming more and more popular, and I've been seeing more and more of those, two backseat trucks, trucks with back seats, A lot of, looks like, what are these, SUVs? Oh, see, there's another truck. See, that's another truck that's a two-door truck. See, we need a four-door truck. See, it's the four-door truck that I would go with, because that enables whoever's in the back seat room to get in. I mean, you don't have to do like you would with a two-seater sedan, where you'd have to push the front seat up or tilt it so somebody can climb into the back. See, it's very I can get a little claustrophobic. I feel a little uncomfortable, I'm stuck back there, God forbid. Oh, there's a U-Haul, and look at this. He's just waiting to get back in traffic, looks like. because southbound traffic's got busy again. There he goes. He waited. So, as you know, it just. But when you have a four-door sedan, which are the cars I remember, I don't even know if you call them sedans anymore. But I like four-door sedans, and where you have room in the back seat, and the person in the back seat can get in and out of the car without having to have the person in the front seat get out, so the person in the back seat can climb out. Oh, there's CityLink. Hey, CityLink. Looking normal for a change. Instead of having those Glazer and Ebb advertisements on the side. Those are just awful. I don't know. I just really don't like those. Because they don't look like buses. They just look like moving billboards. And you can't tell it's a bus. So anyway. Yeah, so I would get a four-door truck. That's what I would get. I like the idea of having a truck where if you needed to move stuff, you could, without having to find someone with a truck to help you move it. You might get someone to help you move it with your own truck, but you don't have to worry about bothering with somebody else's truck. Or if you find somebody to help you and they don't have a truck, look, there's the two of us again, then you're just out, So it's like it's almost like a necessity these days, especially if you are going to need it, And how many times I remember how many times we had to cram stuff in the car that could easily have gone in the truck. I just, I wouldn't have lost so much stuff if I had a truck. Instead of having to go, do you have a truck? Do you have a truck? Do you have a truck? I need to get this stuff, cleared out. Do you have a truck? So this way I'll have a truck, and then I won't have to worry about looking for somebody with a truck. I'll have my own, So, anyway, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like what you see, subscribe to my channel and feel free to leave a comment. Alright guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.